NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 accelerates to 3135 MHz with a peak power consumption of 493 watts. Judging by the screenshots provided by Inside Insider, the RTX 4090 graphics card can easily reach high frequencies with a relatively small increase in power. The Insider posted 2 screenshots showing the Tech Power Up GPU Z tab with detailed information about the graphics card. However, given that there is only one gaming card with a 450 watts TDP, it is relatively easy to guess that we are talking about an RTX 4090 graphics card. The first screenshot shows the default frequency of 2730 MHz, which seems to be a typical frequency that can be seen in most synthetic tests and games. However, the clock speed will vary depending on the graphics settings and resolution, so it may be lower or higher. Unfortunately, NVIDIA did not report what is being tested in this particular example. It is confirmed that the map has reached a temperature of 65.6 degrees Celsius, and the hottest point has reached a temperature of 73.4 degrees Celsius, and this is at the current power indicator of 446.9 watts. This means that we are looking at standard settings with a default TDP of 450 watts. The speed readings of the two fans show 1650 thirds revolution per minute, which is 40% of the maximum fan speed. The second screenshot is a bit more interesting because it shows the GPU's peak clock speed of 3135 MHz, which is currently the highest frequency shown in any leaks regarding the RTX 4090. The temperature increased only slightly to 68.2 degrees Celsius. In addition, it shows that the peak power consumption of the entire card was 492.8 watts, which is less than 50 watts more than in previous screenshots. However, there are a few questions. First of all, it is not known what workload was used. It may well be some old game test with very low GPU usage. Secondly, real-time values are not shown here, so we can only see the peak value. Let me remind you that the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 will be the first of the new Ada Lovelace series of graphics cards, which will go on sale on October 12th at a price of $1,599. Next month it will be the turn of the RTX 4080.